when you guys have free time. That's negative. It's a pretty color. Bruh, this thing come on.
I'm pretty sure he's not.
What do you think it means? Why don't you ask someone what they think describes you or your summer? Here we're on the fourth installment of 4, putting the finishing touches on our art journals. We used mixed media to create these pieces. We used real and found items, anything from bubble wrap, cotton balls, newspaper, Q-tips, just a lot of real and found items. We focused and taught a lot about zero waste philosophy, and that using what's around you is a lot easier than going to an art supply store and buying new materials. So we really tried to focus on what we already had to create these incredible pieces. Here's a little bit more of the excerpts from the tail end of this workshop.
Consommation peut vraiment infecter ton âme, son. Résiste cette fantaisie, tout ce monde hypocrisie. T'es accroupi dans l'illusion pendant ton âme à bas prix. Rejette ces conneries de gros bijoux, de bandits, des maudits. Tu mendis, tu passes ta vie dans l'oubli. Ton histoire, sage, tâche de déboire, pas de pouvoir. Les tiens restent attachés, accrochés, emprisonnés. Motive-toi coûte que coûte, c'est faux, y'a pas de doute. Rien n'est à ça, concentre-toi et choisis ta route. Tu n'as qu'une vie à vivre, la richesse est dans les livres. N'hésite pas, libère-toi, je te dis, fonce. Ta force, ta raison, crée de bonnes liaisons. Il faut bien t'informer pour que tu puisses t'affirmer, réveiller. Ceux qui dorment, qu'ils soient hommes ou femmes, alertez-les, dites-leur. La vie a 10 pas, et ma bataille freine. La vie a 10 pas, et ma travail sème. La vie a 10 pas, et ma bataille freine. La vie a 10 pas, et ma travail sème.
Okay, Chad.
Jordan.
Where's your hole up here?
It's in a heart.
Yeah, he said that the fabric was blocking it.
Yeah, but there's one that's strong enough to go through. If it's not that one, there's one. Or you can use a scissor to like
I told him.
cut through it. Hey, what's your next step, my love? String?
Yeah.
Okay, you cut your paper. Did you cut your scrap? Are you done, my love?
They don't let us express ourselves in no type of way. They just want to let us keep playing.
Oh, how do I? So we're going from left to right? Really? Are you a lefty?
No.
I love that idea.
It's not taken.
Now see how tight you made this? This is going to be a problem because every time you go to open that, it may tear up your paper. So why did you decide not to put plain paper in yours?
Because I don't really do art like that, so I don't think I'm gonna do any more projects.
You really don't think there's a time where you want to, not art, but write in it?
If I want to write it, I just take these off.
She don't really do art like that.
Can I have some paint or something?
Some paint? I suppose we have time for that. But I honestly, you know how it's a lot of work to clean up paint.
What are we doing?
Paper, that's when Miss Rain came and did textiles. Yours is really tight too, Michaela. Can you turn your pages easily? Oh, okay, all right. You can also write on these if you want, if you ever feel so inclined and you decide to leave this open. You know what?
I'm gonna cut this off.
You know what? All right, Ilaria, when you're ready, hurry up because the paint is starting to spread. Take your time and go slow. Give it good pressure. Dogwood Public Library sponsored a Teen Creatives workshop. We offered screen printing for the first time. Here we took old canvases, ripped the canvas off, and used the wood to create our screens. With pre-bought stencils, we were able to create custom images on paper, fabric, and t-shirts.
Don't be afraid to get paint on your hands. Turn it.
Let's just pull it.
Great.
That's sick!
I guess it did.
Oh, I'm so stinking jealous.
It taught mine. This is mine, okay.
I'm so jealous!
La vie a 10 pannes, ma travail seul. La vie a 10 pannes, ma bataille freine. La vie a 10 pannes, ma travail seul. Ya, range ton flingue, man. 4 chaîne, man. Consommation peut vraiment infecter ton âme, son. Résiste cette fantaisie. Tout ce monde hypocrisie. T'es accroupi dans l'illusion, vendant ton âme à bas prix. Rejette ces conneries de gros bijoux, de bandits, des maudits. Tu mendis, tu passes ta vie dans l'oubli. Ton histoire, sage, tâche de débois, pas de pouvoir. Les tiens restent attachés, accrochés en prison.